Welcome back again, guys. In today's tutorial I'll be teaching you guys how you can change your WordPress password. So the reason for this is that there are times you tend to perform some routine maintenance on your website, and changing of password is one of the routine maintenance that one can do on his or her website. So in today's video I'll be talking about how you can do that, and I want you guys to follow this video carefully. So if this is your first time in this channel, please don't forget to like this video, and of course hit the subscribe button so that when I drop the next tutorial you will be the first to be notified. So guys, without wasting much time, let's continue the tutorial. So routine maintenance is very important. It's very important that you do it from time to time to keep your website very secure, safe, and of course running at a very fast or peak performance. So now changing of password is also a good routine maintenance, in the sense that when you change your password from time to time, it is hard for hackers to penetrate your website, especially if you know you share your website with people. You have to make sure you change your website password or your WordPress password or logins from time to time. So now let's talk about how you can do that. So it is very easy to change your WordPress password. It is very easy. So all you need to do first is to log in into your WordPress account. So once you are logged in into your WordPress account, the next thing you need to do is to scroll down and go to the users section. So let's look for the users. Okay, this is the user section right here under the plugin section. So once you are right here, you have to hover your mouse to the section that says profile. So on this profile section, you are going to see some options here. So the one we are going to be making use of is the one that is account management. So as you can see here, account management. But before we do that, let me talk about some other things that is important for you to know. So there are times where you end up having a weak password as well. So you need to make sure that when creating a new password, always make sure that your password is strong. And if your WordPress original password is weak, it can easily be used to penetrate your website. So you need to make sure that your password is always very strong, because when your password is strong, it is hard for people or for hackers to guess your password. And also sometimes it might also be tempting for you to share your WordPress password with team members or even contract developers. So you should never do that, because it is not advisable. So it is very important that if you want to share your WordPress with anybody, you have to create a user role in your website. So that is very important. So now let's talk about changing password. So once you're on this very place, the next thing you need to do now is to click on this box right here that says set new password. So once you click on it, it's going to bring out a password for you. So this is actually an auto-generated password. So if you know you can actually remember this, you can use it, but I advise that you create your own password. So once you are given an auto-generated password, all you have to do is just to erase it, and then you type in your own password. So you type in your own password, and always make sure that the password is very strong. So once you have typed in your own password, the next thing you need to do, if you know very well that you can remember the password, so the next thing you need to do now is to scroll down. So once you scroll down, you're going to find a button at the bottom of the screen. So this button right here is update. So once you click on this button, it will automatically save your new password, and that will become your new login password. So you guys can see that this is very easy to do, but always make sure you set a password that you can remember or the best thing to do after setting the password, after creating a new password, you can copy the password and paste it or save it in a notepad so that you can be able to access the password anytime, maybe if you forget the password or something like that. So once you've done that, you have to click on update. So once you update, it will automatically save your new WordPress password. So guys, that's it for this tutorial on how you can actually change your WordPress password. I will see you guys in the next tutorial.